boots on gravel, laughter in the air. Friends around me, nothing can compare. Birds above us glide without a sound. Nature calling from the open ground. And the world feels wide like a book we haven't read, as the wind blows by, lifting every step ahead. We're drifting down these winding roads again, with a drone that flies like a wandering friend, through the valleys, over fields that never end. Nature sings a song we can't pretend. From the sky the world feels calm and slow. Every frame a place we've come to know. We're living free where the wild road bends. Me, the wind, the drone, and all my friends. Sun-warmed shadows dancing through the trees, moments floating on a gentle breeze. Leaves like whispers falling to our feet.